Hey guys, what's that today? Sorry about Max being a dumbass. Here he is.
I'm in my room right now.
Yay!
Hi, Alex.
It's down here. Terrible. My stomach hurts like hell. My ribs.
Hello. Leo's like looking at me like, what the hell?
Ouch.
Hope you liked the video. Please give a thumbs up. My stomach hurts. Please help me. Goodbye. Oh shit. What? Sorry guys, the video's not shutting off right now. Technical difficulty.